Casey from Simply Casey, and I thought we would take a little look in the woods. We might look for some ginseng in the woods. I'm a little scared of snakes, so we might just look from here. You guys see that tree in there? It's a crazy looking tree. See those things on it? This was like a huge, I don't know what kind of tree it was. I was gonna say like a cedar or pine or something, but I don't think so. I don't know. It's crazy looking though. There's a lot of trees up in there that have just fell over or did something. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you hear that knocking sound? What in the world? I heard it like maybe four times. Now, not to be confused with my husband, he's like down behind me with a lawnmower. That's what you heard a few minutes ago when he was rolling it across the pavement. Let me switch. Let me walk to the other side here where I heard it. Okay, guys. What in the world is that noise coming from the woods? Now, wait a minute. That is very strange. Stopped a few minutes ago, of course, but I don't know what that was. Wait, there it went again. Oh my gosh, is that a growl sound? What? Oh my goodness, I think I'm going in the house. That sounded like a growl. I hope you guys can hear this as well as I can. I know when I hear things really good outside, sometimes I have to put my headphones on to hear it on the video, because you'll hear other sounds like birds and things that are closer to me. So please, if you can't hear nothing, put your headphones on. Wait. It's almost like a growl. We're still listening to see if we hear it again. Wait. Every time I try to talk, it seems like it starts up again. Or it starts to make a noise, and then it'll stop. Does anyone know, again, I'm not saying something does exist or it doesn't. That's not, I don't know. I've tried to document all the strange things that's happened around here. But if you guys know anything about how far away, like a Bigfoot, Sasquatch, how far away they can hear or pick up your scent or any of that stuff, if anyone knows any kind of thing like that, which I guess it would be kind of hard to know. I don't know what the actual... Has there ever been a Bigfoot caught on anything? Like, you know, proof, real concrete proof of existence? I don't know. I've not found it, if there is. Oh my God, what is that sound? Guys, what was that? kidding me? I've never heard a sound like that in my lifetime. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm a little bit, what's the word? Scared? I think I'm gonna go in the house. I've got several minutes of this. I don't know if I want to hear anymore. I don't know what it is, so it's really... What is that noise? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I've never heard any in my life. Ever. I've never ever heard something like that. Oh my goodness. If you guys have ever heard that sound, you guys heard the knocking beforehand. Hopefully you can hear it as well as I can. And then those weird growls that would almost stop, and then that long, drawn out, like really long, drawn out sound that we just heard just a few seconds ago. What is that? Please comment. I don't know what it is. It's very, very disturbing because I've never heard anything like that. So it's got me just a little bit freaked out here because I don't know what it is, and it's really just scary. Okay, I'm trying to calm down. I think I'm just gonna go over to where my husband is, where he's getting ready to mow. Wait, I heard something. Now, I don't want you guys to confuse the sound that's way behind me. Sounds like somebody is using a weed eater, like off in the distance. That would be the neighbor down like the bottom of our driveway. I thought I just saw something. It's hard to get that part to show up good. Okay, did you guys hear that? That was a strange sound. Okay, I'm very, I don't know what to think about any of this stuff. Please comment if you guys have heard anything like that before. It's very confusing. I'm gonna, in a little while, I'll go play it back on the computer and see if I can recognize the sound. But to me, it's foreign. It's something new, strange, I've never heard before. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment if, excuse me, if you've ever heard that sound before in the woods. Everyone have a great day.